So today I'm gonna be showing you guys the top 5 best dropshipping products to sell right motherfucking now. Like when I say right now, this is like the best time to start because it's almost Black Friday and this is the time of the month where people are actually buying. You know what I mean? We can get them good sales. So the whole process behind this, I'm gonna be showing you guys the product, why I think it's good, why it does, data behind it, also the websites, and also some other things. You know what I mean? I want to make sure I set you guys right up with some good things. You know what I mean? I don't want to give you just like the product and be like, yep, you guys got it. No, I'm gonna give you the marketing angle, the angle people don't even think about, cause that's what's very important. You know what I mean, bro? First product I'm actually showing you guys is the Basque LA Steam Pro. Basically, what this whole thing is women are always complaining about them breaking their nails, having to take their nails off. So what? We're gonna solve that problem for them, cause that's what we do. We're entrepreneurs. But the best thing, we don't sell a crappy product. We sell products that work and basically solve a problem. You know what I mean? And this product right here is the perfect thing. As in, your demographic is very high. Women are always complaining about this, always have to use acidic freaking things, chemicals, just take them off. With this, it's just a steamer. It's mad easy, mad quick to take off. Everything's all good, nice and legit. And this person has been operating for a very long time. I'm not gonna lie. So since he's been operating for a long time, you know that there's actually money inside of it. Now, let's actually see how much they're actually selling the product for. So here in AliExpress, you can find the product for, look at this right here, $28, $26, with 7-day delivery. 7-day delivery is crazy, bro. That's like almost Amazon level delivery times, you know what I mean, bro? But there's always other alternatives that you can always choose from too. Like this is a $27 one, $13 one, but fuck, we don't want to deal with those ones. But let's see how much they're selling it for. They're selling it for $60. You can obviously get it in there mad quickly. And when you're actually trying to get inside and like, you know, making the price, there's a certain price that you're actually supposed to put in. So whatever that product is, considering your price and your shipping price, times it by 1.5. 1.5 is the minimum you should be selling to make sure you're profitable. Like alternatively, we would want 2%, but sometimes 1.5 is good enough for us. You know what I mean, bro? But that 1.5 is just a minimum. But now let's actually look at the ads. Like when I say they've been operating for a long time, they're making ads for a very long time. As in they have so many running ads. As in this is a Facebook ad library right here. So with Facebook library, we can basically see how many ads are running, different type of ads and everything. Let me quickly play this. You know what I mean? There's like a lot of ads. So there's a lot of clips that you can choose from. It's very easy, but like I said, these people are pretty much just branded, so it's gonna be kind of harder to steal their ideas. But if you get the product yourself, you can actually make it yourself, or you can find different clips online. You know what I mean? It is not that hard. Like I said, they started off with non-branding, as in over here they didn't brand it, but like they were still running the product, so you guys can obviously do the same thing too. And the second product is, I know like this product right over here has been, it's sold already, but I really think is a very good product. The main reason why is because it has a lot of potential and everyone knows about it. Because everyone always has to start moving things. So there's always different markets that you will need to like run into it. And the markets people are probably just selling this product for is like furniture. But the thing I would sell it for, the different market, would be cleaning. Because think about it. Everyone be having these large ass couches, like furniture, like their stoves, tops and stuff. And they're never moving it and they're never cleaning under it. And this actually will solve their problem. They'll be like, yo, here's an easy way to do it. Like, you know what I mean? Also, the best way to do it too is, if you don't want to just choose that, yo, just go raw with it. Go dead ass raw, like no condom. Just put it to as vague as possible. Let's look down to their engagement. This is like their post right over here. You can see their engagement is actually pretty good. They're getting 3.6 shares, whatever. They're getting everything basically. And right now you can see the different type of ads that are actually running. And the place I'm actually on is Mania. If you want to try Mania, they actually gives you like basically everything you want, like product searching ideas and shit like that. And also gives you data of like what people are doing. But you can try it. You can use that link in the description. It gives you some money off if you want to. But that's all, you guys. But as you see, they're running Facebook ads and Pinterest ads. They've been at this for a very long time. And most likely it's been probably working for them. And there is a lot of people who be running this same product. That's why you got to stand out. And that's why you got to do a different marketing strategy. There's a lot of clips online of what you can do. So, hey, just make sure you guys do it right. You know what I mean? Now let's actually look at their product. They're selling it for $99. That's kind of excessive. No one is buying this for $99. I don't care who the fuck you are. You know what I mean? You must be very rich. I highly doubt they're profitable with it, or like they actually even like making money from it, because $99 is crazy. But so here's some ideas of what potential reviews you could like if you need reviews to put in. You know what I mean? And the best part about it is they also give you pictures, videos, and things to that if you want to use it, you can also use it as well. But just basically just draw on inspiration. Don't just steal it. You know what I mean? As you can see, the price is actually $11.92 with 13-day shipping. So what you actually should be selling it for will be around, if you times it 1.5, you're looking at 22. So probably like you could do $20, $25. But originally I would probably go in around the $22, $25 range. Why? Because it's like that little sweet number that I would like to put in, that $24.99, that $19.99, you know what I mean? That sweet little number where you're basically just tricking people. And that's the number that you want to be. But when you actually put in this product, then make sure you're saying how amazing it is, like how much weight it can hold, how long lasting it is. And if you really wanted to do a little bit better, add the warranty. Like, hey, we warranty this for a certain amount of days. You know what I mean, bro? And just mention how easy it is to use, how many people love it. But like, look at the reviews. Like, reviews are great. People love it. So either way, the product is a banger. You know what I mean? Now, people are already selling the product, as you can see right over here, but you can just draw on their inspiration and do something better than they are. Because I know for a fact they're probably running the same marketing strategy. They're just using the same shit. Look at this. Look at that. Moving furniture has become so easy. How about cleaning furniture? Cleaning under furniture has been so much easy. You know what I mean? Make it a little bit different. Like, you don't have to just be like them. You got to be different so you can make more money from them. Take on their inspiration and change it up a little bit. You know what I mean? When you guys are actually making ads, one of the main things that makes it so you don't got no sales is copying other people's work, other people's ads. As in, when you're looking at this other product, that once again, they're all using the same ad, all the same generic ads, the same pictures, same videos, same clips, and just look very horrible. So if you guys want to upgrade your ads, I really recommend you guys to try ProjectEcom ads. ProjectEcom ads is actually just a website that actually make ads for you. And they don't just make no normal ads, they make ads that are meant to convert. There's been so many people who converted to crazy sales because of them, because with their help, it basically helps you stand out from the competitors. And you're not just competing on products, you're competing within ads, people's attention. And with ProjectEcom ads, actually running this one thing for the VIP program where you get 75% off all ad packages. You know what I mean? As you can get 4 ad variations for one product for $15 instead of $60. And the best part about ProjectEcom ads is the first one was you get 75% off all video ad packages, but you also get 30% off all user-generated ad packages, 24-hour delivery and revisions, and you also get priority customer support. And it is very easy to actually get started. All you have to do is just place your order, submit a form, and you receive your video within 1 to 3 business days. And that's really it. If you need revisions, it's completely free. And one more thing, the best thing is you can actually use my code ProjectEcom for an extra 15% off. So if you actually go to the description below, you can also just use the link instead. It's gonna have the coupon already installed on it. This one's a portable blender, but this blender is not that simple. It's actually a juicer, bro. Actually put in a whole orange inside and actually just getting a juice, and it just separates everything, so it makes it very easy cleaning. The main reason why I like this product, basically because like people don't have this. I've not seen anyone be selling that juicer yet. And with the juicer, you can always do like some more creative things with it. As in, there's a lot of marketing angles you can go with. And as you can see over here, the engagement is also pretty good too. And you can see they'll be running Facebook, Pinterest, and TikTok ads. So you're probably not gonna be the only one on the market, but hey, if you basically just look at their ads and basically draw inspiration on them to make it better. Once you make it better, you'll actually be able to like make more money from them. You know what I mean? The next one we're gonna be looking at is the espresso machine. And with this one, I like it, and the main reason why, because there's so many different marketing angles you can go from. You can go from people who don't have that much time in the morning to to make coffee, or making coffee in your car, or even just making coffee on the go. Because the main reason why is because portable, and basically gives you that running energy that you need right at that second, and you don't have to worry about all that extra shit. I'll put it in a bag, waiting 5 minutes, just pop it in, turn it on, go. By the time you're in the car, you're ready to drink it. In the car, you can drink it anytime, you know what I mean? And as you over here, they're actually pretty branded already. So meaning they actually probably they were making a good amount of money off of it. But as you can see, they're running Facebook ads, a little bit of Pinterest. You know what I mean? I know probably someone's running TikTok ads too, so you're probably not the only one. This is their website right over here. That's selling it for $139. $139, damn. But their website is actually pretty good though. I'm not gonna lie. Like if you look at this looks like a professional website. Take inspiration of their website and make it your own. Cause this website right here I know is high converting. You know what I mean? Take a look at this. Look how good that looks. You know what I mean? When you want the actual product yourself, you can go to alternatives right over here, because these ones are the unbranded ones. As you see right over here, it's only $32. So you could probably just sell it for $65. You know what I mean? Don't sleep on the 12-day, 11-day deliveries. Those are really good. You know what I mean, bro? Like when it's bad is when you have to wait a whole month. Like that's the worst. That's the worst. You can't do that shit. The next one right over here is also a very good one too. It's basically just a hair curler. And I know hair curlers have already played out and everything, but this one, it doesn't use any heat, because a lot of girls are always complaining about not wanting to use heat in the hair. Heat is always damaging the hairs and stuff. And this is for the demographic that actually wants that. The main reason why you would basically want to do this, because it is so easy to do. All they have to do is just sleep. So you can just be like, hey, it's very easy to do. You don't have to burn yourself. Like it is so fast, nice and easy, and you can just reuse it the next day. You know what I mean? And there's no charging, no electricity involved with it. There's so many different angles that you can actually go with it. But for them over here, they're doing really good, like a 10.3K repins on Pinterest. But there's also the Pinterest ones, TikTok ones already. There's probably someone selling on Facebook, like right over here. But there's gonna be a lot of people. But hey, if you're able to sneak in, get in that market share, you're gonna be pretty good. Just make sure you come into a different angle, because everyone's going with that same angle. Hair frizzy or fried. Need to curl your hair, no electricity. Like, bro, be creative with it. You know what I mean, bro? Have fun with it. This is the website right over here. The website, they're selling it for $11.95. Like I said, their website is not that bad. It's actually pretty. I'd say it's pretty good. It's nice, nicely branded. I like the pictures. Like even this piece right here, the color coding of it looks nice too. You know what I mean? And the reviews, they're looking good too. They're looking very good. Like basically use this as an example of what you want to do, and make sure you're color coding your website, making sure it looks nice and clean, nice and branded, and make sure you hit that buy more, save more. You know what I mean, bro? Try and upcharge them a little bit. And with the best part about upcharging them a little bit, just say something like, instead of saying buy more, save more, say get one for your sister, get one for your friend, get one for your best friend. You know what I mean? Say something a little bit different to make sure I actually think, so they can start thinking of them. You know? And for the price of it, it's actually $2.75, so it's very cheap. Relatively cheap, so it's very easy to get in on. And look at that, 1,000 sold, so a lot of people are already loving it. There's a lot of reviews out there. Just get all the reviews in, and you'll be pretty good. So that's the end of it. But these products right here, I actually do think they're actually going to be very winners. As in, if you start selling them right now, you're probably going to see crazy results right away. As long as you paid attention to what I said in the video and make sure you structure them the right way, get in a different market that they have not captured yet. That's the best way to get on it, because like I said, we're not trying to reinvent the wheel. We're trying to hop on that wave and make it different. Making it a little bit different would get the other market shares that these people have left over. You know what I mean? As in, you don't want to be all competing in one spot. Is everyone is saying, hey, this is good for this. If everyone's doing that, then the main person is gonna be making all the money. But if you're saying, hey, this is good for this other thing, everyone's gonna be like, oh, I did not know about that. You know what I mean, bro? Set the wave. But hey, guys, yo, appreciate you guys for watching so much, yo. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, man. I'll see you guys in the next video.
They won't let feel comfortable until I remind you who you think that you're lying to.